Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have something truly exceptional to talk about. The Swingline Paper Cutter, Guillotine Trimmer, 12 inches cut length, 10 sheet capacity, classic cut line. If you're in the market for a paper trimmer, you've come to the right place because this is the best paper trimmer you can get your hands on. Stick around as we delve into the features and benefits of this fantastic product. Let's jump right in and explore what makes the Swingline Classic Cut Light the best paper trimmer out there. Easy to use, this trimmer is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its sharp guillotine blade and alignment grid make trimming a breeze. Plus, it has a sturdy yet lightweight plastic base, making it easy to transport. Generous 12 inches cutting length. With a 12 inches cutting length, this trimmer is perfect for a wide range of trimming tasks, whether you're at home or in the office. Impressive cutting capacity. The Swingline Classic Cut Light can cleanly cut up to 10 sheets at a time, 20-pound paper, making it an excellent choice for everyday use. Precision and accuracy. This trimmer is all about accuracy. It features an alignment grid for precise cuts and a dual-scale ruler with both inches and centimeters, ensuring you can measure accurately in your preferred system. Safety features. Your safety is a top priority with this trimmer. It includes a guardrail to keep your fingers away from the blade while in use and a blade latch hook to secure the trimmer arm when not in use. Built to last, Swingline stands by the quality of this trimmer with a limited 10-year warranty, ensuring you'll have a reliable tool for years to come. Now, let's hear what users have to say about their experiences with the Swingline Classic Cut Light. Users appreciate its sharpness and its ability to cut through various materials, including cardstock, plastic, and even foam. Many have found it to be a significant upgrade from other trimmers, especially when it comes to clean and precise cuts. Some users have highlighted the convenience of its 12 inches cutting length, making it suitable for various projects. While it's a budget-friendly option, users have praised its durability, proving that quality doesn't always come with a hefty price tag. In conclusion, the Swingline Paper Cutter, Guillotine Trimmer, 12 inches cut length, 10 sheet capacity, Classic Cut Light, is the best paper trimmer available in the market today. With its ease of use, generous cutting capacity, precision, safety features, and long-lasting build, it's a must-have for anyone who deals with paper cutting tasks. Don't compromise on quality when it comes to your trimming needs. Make the smart choice and invest in the Swingline Classic Cut Light. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.